So after you go to Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, you're going to make sure you type in zoom.us. Then you're going to get a page that looks like this, and you're going to click Join Meeting. Then you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and it's going to ask you for the meeting ID. This is where you type your meeting ID, and then you click Join. Once you click Join, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and you're going to click on Open Zoom Meetings. Then you're going to be asked to enter your meeting password, and this is where you type in the password and you click on Join Meeting. Once you have clicked on Join Meeting, you're going to get a screen that's going to show you that you are ready to begin the Zoom conference.